So I've been trying to get the end of this CV axle housing out of this Honda Pilot for probably 2 or 3 hours now. Did a quick search on YouTube, found this guy that pretty sure he has the solution, so we're going to try his solution. I'll give him a shout out down below. But anyway, what you need to do, you need to cut the boot off the inner part of your old CV shaft. Good idea to clean it up. That's going to be helpful. So we have the bearings. We're going to reinstall the bearings on these shafts. Chance they may drop. So we're going to try and hold these into position, and we're going to slide this back into a part of the CV shaft that's still stuck on the vehicle. Okay. Alright, so I have everything slid back in the housing. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a simple vice grip and I'm just going to pinch it on the inner lip right here. And it should be adjusted. If you want, you could actually install 2 vice grips. That's not a bad idea. Might go see if I have another one. And I have another vice grip and we'll pinch it on the inner lip here. Alright, so I have everything reinstalled into the housing, have 2 vice grips pinching the edge of this. And what we made is basically a free slide hammer. So I'm going to try sliding this in and out, I don't know, several times, and we'll see if we can get this to go. Ah, there she is. Haha! Great success. That is the trick right there, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you get that sucker out of there.